Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we are given s equals 1 plus 1 half plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 over 1 over 8 1 over 9 up to 1 over 27, and we are going to find the value of s. As you can see, in sum of fractions, the denominator is power of 2. For example, 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2 to the power 1, 1 over 4 equals to 1 over 2 to the power 2, 1 over 8 equals 1 over 2 to the power 3, and 1 over 16 equals 1 over 2 to the power 4. In denominator of sum of fraction, there is the power of 3. 1 over 3 is equal 1 over 3 to the power 1, 1 over 9 is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2, and 1 over 27 is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 3. In the next step, we want to write all the fractions that their denominator is a power of 2 in one parenthesis. 1 is equal 1 over 2 to the power 0, 1 half is equal 1 over 2 to the power 1, 1 over 4 is equal 1 over 2 to the power 2, up to 1 over 16 and other fractions. In the next step, we want to write all fractions that their denominator is a power of 3 in one parenthesis. 1 over 3, 1 over 9, and 1 over 27. In this step, we need to add 1 with our expression, and in the next step, we subtract 1 from our expression. The remaining fractions is 1 over 6, 1 over 12, 1 over 24, 1 over 6, 1 over 12, 1 over 18, 1 over 24, and we write minus 1 because in the previous step we add 1 in our expression, so we need to subtract 1 from our fractions. The first parenthesis is geometric sequences, and the first term is 1 and the common ratio is 1 over half. Because each successive term is produced by multiplying the previous term by a common ratio, and common ratio is 1/2. So we can write this parenthesis as sigma of 1 over 2 to the power n and I from 0 to infinite. Also, the second parenthesis is a geometric sequence, and the first term is 1 and the common ratio is 1 over 3. So we can write this parenthesis as sigma of 1 over 3 to the power n, and I goes from 0 to infinite. In this parenthesis, we can factor out 1 over 6, and we're going to get 1 over 6 times 1 plus 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, and that is and this parenthesis is equal to s. This finite series has a numerical sum because the common ratio is 1/2, and 1/2 is less than 1 and greater than -1. So we can say this series is a convergent series, and the numerical sum is equal the first term over 1 minus common ratio, 1 over 1 minus 1/2. Also, for this series, this numerical sum is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3. Now we need to solve this equation for s. 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to, and 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 is equal 3 over 2. And by solving this equation, we get 5 over 6 times s equal 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 1, and the sum of these three terms is equal to 5 over 2, and s is equal to 3.